What is up YouTube, my name is Duplicator and today I'm going to show you how to get Save the World for free. Now before we do this, I want to say that anyone that has a card on their account, on their Xbox account, I suggest removing them if you are worried about losing money or so on, yeah. I also want to point out to Fortnite, please do not ban my account if this is not allowed. But this is just to show people like to have fun times of playing games. Please do not charge me or anything. You may yeah, just please figure out different ways, but please do not ban me or charge me. I'm just showing people how to do this. But anyway, I just want people to have fun. So do you guys as well, but not a lot of people know this, so you also have lots of money coming in. But anyway, as I'm saying, sorry about that guys, but today I'm gonna be showing you how to get Save the World for free. Now this is not permanent, this will not save on your account, this is just a glitch, alright? Modification glitch, right? So anyway, let's do this. Save the World, learn more, and then select an edition. I'm choosing Deluxe. Now, when it gets to this loading bit here, when it gets to the green circles, you want to immediately go to settings, and then you want to disconnect it. Then after, you want to reconnect it. Sorry if you can hear that in the background, that's my dog's pups. Now reconnect, just wait a few seconds, go back to Fortnite, reload it. While Fortnite's loading, guys, I'm just wait, hold on, I think it's loaded. Alright guys, so let's try that again, 'cause it didn't work. So learn more, an edition you want to choose, and then you want to go ahead. You may wait for it a little bit to load, and then just go to settings, network, and then select go offline immediately. Go back online, and immediately go back to your game. There you go. So if you've done it correctly, that you should come up with an Xbox Live purchase check failure. Unable to verify with Xbox Live services. Purchase content may be temporarily unavailable. Xbox Live error message. Now before you ask, did I pause the video? No, I didn't actually, because you see the streams, every time you go offline it will bug it and all that. So please do not hate me in the comments. This is the legit way, right? If this doesn't work, they might have patched it or something, right? But this is a way to get it. Okay, now after you'll load into the Save the World screen. Load out, load back in. Now the only way you'll know that I'm not lying then is because I'd loaded into the Save the World screen there. And obviously that wouldn't happen. And there you go. You are now on Save the World. But yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you did like this, make sure you hit the like button below. Hit subscribe for more glitches and tricks or whatever, and I will see you all next time. Peace.